What's going on, you beautiful people, mental pyromaniacs? It's your boy, Jeremy Alexander Newsom, back from last week. This is a new review. So last week I mentioned Digital Leader by Mr. Eric Qualman, AKA the Qualster. And this is one of the first books I read on kind of my self-development journey. My current fiance, who's back there, actually gave me this book, not this exact one I don't think, but gave me this book to read probably 5 years ago, 6 years ago, somewhere around there. And bottom line, phenomenal book. The Jeremy Newsom Scale of Readability for Digital Leader by Eric Qualman is gonna be a 9.27. Really great book. I highly recommend it, especially if you're gonna be a social media person or an online celebrity or a movie star or have a following of any magnitude whatsoever. You're gonna wanna check out this book. Bottom line, my biggest takeaway really had a lot to do with branding and also the internet, right? Digital Leader, as the name is. And the biggest takeaway I had is once you put something on the internet, it's there forever. And it mentions about the people and who are having kids with their digital footprints like immediately as soon as they're born for the rest of their lives. That's kind of like an interesting concept to me because as a child, I didn't, the internet wasn't really around until I was like 7-ish or so. So all those photos are like actual hard copy photos. I had to take a picture with my iPhone or whatever the case is. But now going forward for the rest of your lives, children are gonna be able to look back and see every day, week, month of their year, of their lives. So it's really crucial and critical to teach your children young to be very responsible about what they put online because it's never going away. That's one of the biggest takeaways from this book. I also really like his branding, how he has like the bright green glasses. He's a great follow on Instagram. He provides phenomenal content. So Qualster, if you're watching this, man, thanks for enriching lives. This was a really fantastic book. And as all of you know, that is my mission in life, is to enrich lives with mentally liberating education. And we've been doing these book reviews every single week because if you want to earn, you must learn. Next week, we also have a new book that we're reviewing because that's one of my life goals, to read a book every single week. Post your comments and your thoughts about how you felt Digital Leader was and how it impacted you. Next week, we're reading this bad boy, the Book of Joy, His Holiness the Dalai Lama and Archbishop Desmond Tutu. This is gonna be written by Douglas Abrams. We're gonna come back next week and talk about it. Make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. I feel that it gets free donuts every time you click that, and they like donuts. You guys rock. I'll see you.